Alright, back at Buffalo Chip today, or I should say this evening now. It's about, I need to see what time it was. It's coming on to 5 o'clock right now. They head into the amphitheater and get ready for the concert tonight. Tonight we have Buckcherry and Kid Rock, so it's going to be a pretty crowded night, I think. So let's head to the amphitheater. Alright, it's about 10 minutes later. 5 after 5 about right now. And I just found my spot where I want to sit down, so yeah. There we go. So I'll talk to you later. Got some Domino's pizza. The 7-Up. Yeah, with a bite to eat. There's far more people here already. Wow. Yeah, it's almost 6:30 now, so that's how much. A lot of more people here than there was in the last video clip.
I'm so sorry about that.
How we fucking doing tonight? It's holding up like the weather. Oh shit! Who the fuck is feeling sexy tonight? Who the fuck is feeling hot? You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I feel hot right now. Get fucking sexy! I get so let's get Rock is backstage right now, and he has not seen how many people are out here yet. But I guarantee you something, they judge one thing, and that's how many people make noise, and it's gonna be your turn. I wanna light this sumbitch up like a Roman candle. Are you with me? Say yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, I wanna hear you make more noise than any other crowd in the state of South Dakota. Why? Why? Because there's all kinds of other stuff going on, but this is where it's at. The best party anywhere. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Let's make it go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear it for Kid Rock. Everybody wake it up, make it go! Make it go! Make it go! Hey, check, man. You people are going to need for the show of your life. Coming up real shortly, Kid Rock. You know what's going to happen then. Let's make it go.
It was 2 days. People would count.
Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home, country road. Living in a lonely world. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised South Detroit.
Thank you for your many wonderful and kind blessings. In Jesus' name.
Don't get scared now, you knew this day would come. Hold your biz, all bets are closed. Fuck all you hoes. Cause it's been a long time coming. You're broke, like an egg, no guy, no joke. Like some right contour, motherfucker can't watch the play. Same game, same name, made a damn thing change. No sellout, I ain't no lie. Say bye, bye. Now somebody scream. My name is
That is number 6 from London, Washington. That is Ayana.
There we go. The Kid Rock concert was just finished a little while ago.
Jocelyn, and she's from Ohio.
My gosh.
She's an
This is
emergency
it.
room nurse. She's at
I'm heading out of the amphitheater and won't be back until next year now. This is my last night here coming to the concert. So, wow. Take one last look around.
She's motivated, loyal, and fun.
There we go. I'm heading out of here.
This is Sage.
Yeah, now the crowd is exiting en masse. Wow. Well, here we go again, just like the other night, the Jelly Roll night. Another huge night at the Buffalo Trip. Okay, talk to you later. Alright, I'm just going to wrap up this video. So much noise and traffic going by and everything. And I don't think most people even know where they're going. That's what it seems like anyways. But anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.